African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. The Apostles of African North Coast District, KZN, under the astute leadership of Muzizis Ernest Paul Masha of Africa, invite you to the African Apostolic Church North Coast Holy Gathering to be held this Saturday, 7th of August 2021 at number 1100 Shaka Hill. A little stranger, KZN, the sick are healed and evil spirits are destroyed. Mark 16, verse 15. This gathering will be held under the guidelines of SA Ministry of Health regarding the prevention of COVID-19. For more information, please feel free to contact Reverend Imarevo on 073-652-5086, Evangelist Muguta on 065-931092, Evangelist Jeke on 0622-847431.
Shumaela, Shumaela, Ela Zizo Shumaela, Ela Zizo Shumaela, Ela Zizo Shumaela, Shumaela, Ela Zizo Shumaela, Shumaela. Shumaela ifagale, Shumaela, Shumaela, Shumaela inatale, Shumaela inatale, Shumaela inatale, Shumaela, Shumaela, Shumaela,